Hi, it's Peter Natev with Remax, and I'd like to welcome you to my newest listing. And this time, we're in Orillia, at 20 Dorset Drive. You're minutes away from Lake Simcoe and Lake Couchiching. This raised bungalow has 3+1 bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and a fully finished basement. Trust me, the potential here is great. You're not going to want to miss this one. Come on in and take a look. I hope you enjoyed that tour. Feel free to contact me for your private viewing, or if you have any questions at 647-226-9986. I'm Peter Natev, and I'm ready to move you.